Hello everyone, to use Chroma key in NSCaster, click on the drop down icon and select Color and Chroma key. Inside here, go to the Chroma key and select your background color. After that, take the Chroma key to use it. As you can see, the background becomes transparent. You can select others channel to use as a background, for example, channel 2, or channel 10. Click remove to remove the background. Besides channel, you can also add your own picture. Select the picture you want and click open. The background will become the picture. You can click this icon to enable or disable Chroma key. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.